This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming which Google account is actually paying for Google Photos storage. This prevents canceling the wrong subscription. Once you're signed in, open Google One or Photos settings to view plan details so you know the storage amount, renewal date, and price. Make sure your device is connected and you have the payment method available in case you need to change or verify billing. This step avoids surprises and speeds the cancellation process when you move to the next screen. You now cancel through the Google One web interface for the clearest options. Once logged into the billed account, go to Manage Subscription and choose Cancel Plan or optionally downgrade to a free tier. Google shows what happens to your storage and photos. Read the confirmation prompts and decide whether to keep files online until the plan expires or download a backup now. Make sure to confirm cancellation and note any end of billing date, because Google typically allows access until that date. Finish by checking mobile subscriptions. Open the Google One app or Photos app and follow Storage Manage Cancel. But if your payment goes through Google Play or the App Store, you must cancel there instead. Open Subscriptions in the Store app and cancel the Google One plan. If cancellation fails, sign out and back in, clear app cache, or try the Webflow. As a troubleshooting tip, contact Google support with the account email and billing receipt if you still see charges after cancellation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.